In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QR code not working on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to go through a few quick checks to get your QR code scanning working again. So first, before going into settings, I'm going to check the camera itself. I'm flipping the phone around and making sure the camera lenses at the back are clean and not blocked. If there are any smudges or dirt, I'm just wiping it gently because even a small blur can prevent the camera from reading QR codes properly. Now that the camera is clean, I'm going to open the settings app. Once I'm inside, I'm tapping on general, and then I'm scrolling down until I see language and region. Inside this section, I'm scrolling down again and checking if live text is turned on. If it's off, I'm turning it on. This feature helps your iPhone recognize text and codes directly from the camera, and sometimes QR detection depends on it working correctly. Alright, once that's done, I'm going back to the main settings screen. Now I'm scrolling down and tapping on camera. Inside the camera settings, I'm looking for the option that says Scan QR codes. If this is turned off, your iPhone won't automatically detect QR codes when using the camera, so I'm making sure it's switched on. I like to pause here because this is usually the main reason why QR codes stop working. If this toggle is off, your camera will just ignore QR codes completely. Now that everything is set, I'm going to test it. I open the camera app, point it at a QR code and wait for a second. If everything is working properly, a small notification should pop up at the top of the screen with a link or action related to the code. If it still doesn't work, try adjusting the distance slightly or improving lighting, since QR codes need to be clearly visible for the camera to read them. And that's it, you checked your camera lens, enabled live text, turned on scan QR codes in camera settings, and tested it. Now your iPhone should be able to scan QR codes smoothly again.